Work instructions build on the concept of workflows, enriching your ability to guide the operator through each step and requiring specific checks for reporting and quality assurance purposes. The new guideline engine allows you to create a template resource that is provided to a user to additional work instruction or work steps based on conditions specific to the line item or its detailed data in the line item under consideration. As a workflow is created, work instructions can be added to each step. This will make it so that all the parts with this workflow will have the attached work instruction. By setting the step as required, you can force the operator to provide data during processing, like pictures, values for certain dimensional thresholds, and much more. This is handled effortlessly via the Authentise web app connecting to the production floor to the digital MES. Work instructions can be added to individual line items as well as custom workflow steps. This won't be added to the general workflow. We have also introduced a new flexible tool to suggest to users changes to make in workflow or work instructions based on special cases. Suggestions are not enforced but listed as proposals for improvement. Learn more about Authentise's platform and its features in the upcoming videos.